Hello and welcome to my session on smart cities and communities. Now we will be discussing sanitation under unit number 4. Now what is sanitation? Sanitation is nothing but the provision of facilities and services for the safe disposal of human urine and feces, and this disposal should be done in an economically viable, socially acceptable, technically and institutionally appropriate manner, and besides protecting environment and the natural resources should also be important. Sustainable sanitation has some certain principles. The first principle is to recognize that excreta and wastewater are not waste. If they are properly recycled, they could be reused and they could be made valuable. The main objective of such sanitation practices is to provide a healthy and clean environment and breaking the cycle of disease. But there are certain challenges in this urban sanitation. The first problem is rapid urbanization, fast settlement of people in the cities, and there is a strict need for a policy. Maintenance is inadequate, management is ineffective, groundwater contamination, over dependence on wastewater management, maintenance and upgradation of wastewater treatment facilities, necessity for capacity building of officials who are present in ULBs, etc. There are three major problems in following these sanitation practices. The first one is consumption of more water, more energy, unable to segregate feces and urine, problems with existing drainage system. So the first and the foremost thing that we are to do is to reduce the quantity of water that we are using in toilets. So in order to achieve this, we could go for improved designs of toilet systems. Present toilet sanitation needs 13 to 15 liters of water per flush. So a typical Indian house will be needing 60 to 90 liters of water. And this will require high electric power, high amount of water, etc. So let us check out some improved toilet systems. A redesigned 5-liter toilet, a siphon system pipe is modeled with a spring. As feces, urine, water comes, the center of gravity moves to the left, causing the spring to bend downwards to allow easy exit. Thereby, it will lead to less use of water. Next comes a solar-powered self-cleaning toilet. It is made up of steel, and they are installed in places where access to electricity and common sanitation is difficult, and they are user friendly, and they are available through an Android app called eToilet, and they are also provided with some sensors for light and exhaust fan to ensure that they consume less power, minimum amount of water, and there is also provision of wastewater treatment using anaerobic biodegradation, which is an eco-friendly method. And in sanitation, we can also make use of IoTs, Internet of Things, and large premises where frequent footfalls happen, like in case of an educational institution or a railway station or a hospital or a bus station. Sanitation supervision personally will be difficult. In such a case, we can place odor sensors in toilets, getting sensors equipped with communication modules like WLAN. We will be able to get notifications by using a monitoring server or system whenever the odor intensifies, and then we can make a physical personal approach to solve the problem. And another innovative sanitation solution is by using a bi-slant conveyor belt toilet. And current toilets use single tank system, which results in mixing of urine and feces. Suppose if you are able to separate them, urine usually consists of a large amount of nutrition, like in case of phosphorus and nitrogen. So it will be a better option to separate these two. And this can be done by using a bi-slant conveyor belt toilet, which has two tanks, and there is a belt mechanism which carries and delivers feces to the back tank, and the urine slopes into the front urine tank. Apart from this, we may also have separate designs in which are innovative practices that by following all these innovative practices we will be able to have a sustainable and smart sanitation system. With this, we'll close the session.